Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Auzan Aulia, NPM 184111302. Economy Micro. Presentation is study cost externalities in renewable energy project. The first slide. Renewable energy project often have an unintended consequence known as externalities. This effect can be positive or negative and impact the environment, public health, and local communities. The next slide. Introduction to externality in renewable energy. First one, unintended consequence. Externality are side effect of economic activities that affect third parties not directly involved in the transaction. The second, market failure. They can lead to market influences as the price of product or service does not fully reflect its true cost or benefit. 3. Understanding externality is crucial for designer policies to promote sustainable energy development. The next slide. Positive externalities and environmental benefits. Reduced greenhouse gas emission. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power generate electric without emitting carbon dioxide or other pollution. Improve air quality by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Renewable energy contribute to cleaner air and improve respiratory health. Biodiversity conservation. Renewable energy project can be designed to minimize impact on ecosystem and wildlife habitat. Next slide. Positive externalities, public health improvement. Reduced respiratory illness. Cleaner air from renewable energy source can lead to fewer cases of asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory ailments. Improve cardiovascular health. Reduce air pollution from fossil fuel combustion can contribute to lower rate of heart disease and stroke. Increase physical activity. Renewable energy projects like solar farm can create encourage outdoor exercise. The next slide. Negative externalities. Land use conflict. The first, land acquisition, development, renewable energy project require land which can displace existing land use like agriculture, forestry, and urban development. The second, community concern. Local community might have concern about the visual impact, noise pollution, or other potential disturbance from renewable energy project. 3. Environmental impact. Construction and operation of renewable energy. The effect habitat, water resource, and soil. The next slide. Negative externalities, great interaction challenge. The one, intermittency, renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are intermittent, meaning they can be renewable at times. The second, storage capacity. Integrating large amount of renewable energy requires sufficient storage capacity to ensure reliable power supply. The three, grid upgrades. Existing power grid might need upgrade to accommodate the influx of renewable energy and ensure stability. The next slide. Following externalities, technique and limitation. The technique contingent valuation description survey to ask public willingness to pay for environmental benefit. Technique hedonic pricing. Analysis property value to estimate the value of environmental amenities. Next, travel cost method. Measure the cost of visiting recreational site, the value of entrance service. The next slide. Case study went from development. Positive externalities, reduced air pollution, carbon emission, and improve air quality. The negative externalities, visual impact, noise pollution, and potential and bad population. The next slide. Case study solar energy project. Rooftop solar reduce relation on the grid and provide distribute generation of clean energy. The peak to utility scale solar provide larger scale clean energy generation. The significant land use and have potential environmental impact. The next slide. Strategy for managing externalities. First, public engagement. Engaging with local communities to understand their concern and address them proactively. The second, environmental impact assessment. Through assessing the potential environmental impact of renewable energy project and implementing mitigation measures. The three, economic incentive, providing subsidies, tax credit, or other financial incentive to ensure the development of renewable energy project. 4. Policy and regulation. Developing policy and regulation to address externalities and ensure sustainable development of renewable energy. The next slide. Conclusion. Implication for renewable energy policy. Enhancing positive externalities. Incentive for cleaning energy, over subsidies, tax break, and grant to expand renewable energy and spur innovation. Infrastructure investment will support infrastructure like energy storage and smart grid to boost efficiency. Public awareness. Educate the public on renewable energy, environmental and economic benefit to ensure sustainable practice. Mitigating negative externalities. Environmental regulation. Use environmental assessment to limit ecological impact like habitat disruption and community engagement. Involve local communities in project planning to align with local needs. Adaptive site selection. Apply zoning laws to minimize conflict with agriculture, ecosystem, and communities. And balancing growth and sustainability. Adopt policies that support both economic growth and environmental protection, promoting green job and sustainable practice. Thank you my learning to presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.